Namaste. I am Krishna Priya. I'm an Ayurvedic doctor from Kerala, Thrissur, and I am here to explain my experience with Rakesh ji and how the process of genetic brain profiling happened. And um, what I would like to say is, it was though this happened in my life as a coincidence, I am very grateful to the divine that I could do it. At least right now, I wish I could do it before 10 years or 15 years. So this made me realize that I should spread this knowledge or information to the entire world so that maximum people will get the benefit of it. So what was the process is was very well explained by Rakesh ji, and that too in very simple language and very very patiently. And this will be understandable to a kid as well as to very old age people also. And I benefited during that 3 hours of the process. What I got from the process mainly was, it was like a revelation of myself, like, oh, this is how I am, and I understood where all I should focus or give my attention while dealing with people, maybe as well with patients, since I'm a doctor, and also in professional wise, where all I need to improve myself and where all I don't have to improve myself. Like, this is me, so I don't have to feel guilty about, okay, or sometimes we have this habit of being extra self harming or self-doubting. So somewhere that helped me because I was such a person, like, why am I like this? So now I understood, like, this I cannot change. I have to accept myself like what I am and then work towards that. So that also helped me in reducing the burden on myself. And at the same time, it is not an excuse to do like whatever like that. So you need to improve also. So, and I am suggesting this program to every parent so that they understand their kid and they don't burden their kids with their own wishes, like putting them in different other phases where they are not suited to. So I suggest at the same time to teenagers, youngsters, before they choose a profession, so that they understand, because most of the times we see the trend, kids go behind the trend or the fashion, and then they do end up in wrong places. So at least we can build a new generation where they do what they love. And similarly, it is not just for youngsters. Even if you are at the age of 55, there is still time to enjoy life. So finally, I feel this, we all have been given this body so that we enjoy life at least once a day or at least 1 second. So this program is suited to the entire world, and this is a great blessing to this whole universe. Namaste. Thank you.
Thank you.